Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Carly and I'm so happy that you're here, and thank you for returning if you've been here before. So in today's video, I'm going to just show you how I got these little curls in my hair. I love voluminous curls that aren't super difficult, so all you need for this look are some little clips and a 1-inch curling iron and some hairspray, so it's pretty easy. And I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so I just took my hair out of my pony. I had it in a low bun all day, so I have kind of like a little kink at the bottom, but it's totally fine. So the first thing you're gonna do is I'm gonna spray my hair with dry shampoo, and I just have this, the psst kind, and I'm just gonna spray it into my roots because my hair is kind of greasy. And then I'm actually gonna part my hair on the left, like a deep part, so I can do curls and have a little bit more volume. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. I'm gonna cut it in half first. No, don't cut your hair. Split your hair in half. So there's just a little section in the back here. And we're just gonna start curling the bottom section. And I'm not gonna do any pins or anything until I get a little bit higher on my head. So I'm just going to take the curling iron, and I believe this is a 1-inch, but I will find the exact one I'm using on Amazon and link it down below. So I'm just going to do like ringlet type curls. And don't comb through the curls. Like once you've pulled the curling iron through, don't comb out the curls yet. My hair's curling very well because I haven't washed it in 2-3 days, so it's a little dirty, and now it has dry shampoo in it, so that's a good tip. It's easier to curl dirty hair than clean hair. Okay, so on the bottom it doesn't matter what direction the curls go. I think I did them all the same way, and it's away from my face, just for the bottom. Next I'm going to take the neck section of my hair down, and I'm going to do the same, except this time I'm going to start pinning the curls, and I only have a few clips, so we're just going to pin one section at a time, let it cool, and then take the pins out. So here's all my little clips. I have some bigger ones and then some smaller ones. So all that you do is you do the curl the same, and I let each curl sit for like 10 seconds, maybe less, maybe like 5 to 10 seconds. You take the curl and then you're just gonna clip it together, so it makes like a little ringlet. And the curls will be hot when you take it out of the curling iron, so just be careful when you touch them. Sometimes I have to like wrap the curl around my finger to get it to do what I want it to do. So if you need to do that, that's okay. And now I'm just gonna keep letting them sit. I have like 5 more pins, so I'm just gonna keep curling until I run out of pins, and then I'll take them out as I go. I don't like it to be too difficult, so we're just gonna make it very, very easy. So I'm actually gonna make all the curls on the top go the same way, and I'm gonna make them all go away from my face. And for some reason I always start on the left side. Here we go. So take it and I clamp it and I curl it away from my face. Just wait like 5 seconds. And then I'm going to take the curl, I'm going to wrap it around my finger, and then I'm just going to clip it like this. It looks funny, but they are the cutest curls. I love the curls. Okay, I'm going to rewrap this one. take a couple out of the back from the second layer, a couple of the clips, because I don't have any more and I need some more. Hilarious. As soon as I pin this last curl, I'm just gonna let them cool and then I'm gonna take them out. Okay, so I'm finally gonna take them out and I'm gonna start on this side since I did this side first. I'm just gonna spray it and then I'm gonna run my fingers through it. I'm gonna add some more spray. I'm just gonna put red lipstick on because I love red lipstick. So I just lined them with Trust in Red and it's MAC. And I'm gonna use Mangrove, the lipstick. It's like an orangish red, which is my favorite color right now. Okay you guys, well that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe below. And I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday and I'll see you guys in my next video and thank you for watching.